This is Greg with Hitting the Sweet Spot, and I'm back showing you how to clean the slam sleeve in a different manner. This is our family washing machine. We set it on cold. We set it to small. And then we take our slam sleeves, throw them in the washer. We have some detergent here. We get a little bit of detergent because it's a small, extremely small load. We pour the detergent in. Stir it to wash. Click the button and drop the lid. This will wash usually in about 15 to 20 minutes, depending upon your washing machine. And after it's washed, what you need to do once again is air dry. Don't put it in the dryer, usually the machine next to here. Just try to avoid that. And just air dry it and you'll be fine. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video and learning how to clean your slam sleeve. And go out to hittingthesweetspot.com and check out the rest of our stuff. Alright, have a good evening.